Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the app and device so the feature can appear. Update TikTok now, because experiments roll out to current builds. Once done, sign out and sign back in to refresh feature flags. Make sure your account meets age and regional requirements, and grant camera and photos permissions. Otherwise, the photo mode toggle won't show. Also clear app cache if you previously used older versions, because stale data can block new interface elements. Next, you actively look for the option inside the camera. Open the camera and scan menus. Photo mode can appear as a top right toggle or a bottom tab. If visible, tap it to enter. If you don't see it, switch your account to Creator or Pro to expose extra tools, and enroll in the app beta or any experimental features listed in settings, because only those channels receive photo mode early. Make sure to restart the app after each change to force the UI to update. Finally, you confirm functionality and resolve remaining issues. Use the camera to capture a still photo, test filters, timer, aspect ratio, and ensure the UI saves photos to your gallery. If photo mode still doesn't appear, uninstall and reinstall TikTok, rejoin the beta or creator account, and reboot the device. These steps refresh your feature flags. Troubleshooting tip: if all fails, send a support request including your app version, device model, and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.